All right, I'm here at Copart picking up another vehicle finally. It's a long story, but I purchased a new Copart vehicle for my go-to-work car, and needless to say, I've gotten rid of the Subaru. So anyways, here we are. I'm waiting for him to bring me my new go-to-work car. As soon as he gets here, I'll show you what all is involved with it, and we'll chain her up and we'll get out of here. So that's what I'm up to right now. We're just waiting around to get the car brought to me. All right, there it is. Unfortunately, I'm showing you the worst side right away. It's this. It got hit back in this quarter, but the rest of it seems pretty darn straight. So it'll be perfect for my purposes. The old ship box, part 3 or 4. All right, so I got it safely home, and the battery is super dead. So I am going to replace it. But once I do that, then I'll get it off the trailer, and we will take this wheel off to see what the actual damage is. I have my fingers crossed that it's just the upper control arm that got pushed in, and you know, hopefully that's it. And then I can just wrangle with this bumper to make sure that it continues to stay attached somehow. Maybe use some structural adhesive, just because it's a very low expense car. So anyways, we will get into it some more, but that's where we're at right now. So here we go. Well, I started it up after I changed the battery. It's got a full tank of gas. The air is blowing ice cold, and I don't have any weird knocks or tings or anything like that, so pretty happy. And then I got 89017, and it says I need to get the oil changed since it's supposed to be at 89171. So it appears to be a well-maintained vehicle other than the battery dying. So see if it goes in gear. And I got a backup camera. Transmission not in park, select P. This is great. So it's got sync, it's got air, it's got rear defrost, it's got all kinds of good stuff. So there you go. We got it running, and now, man, this thing is clean, very clean. The ones I bought before were like drug through hell backwards, and this one's beautiful. It doesn't smell funny, and it's got cold air, so it's got everything I wanted. All right, I'm gonna turn it off and try and get it unhooked to get it off the trailer, but there you go. Super duper, works great. All right, so I got the tire off, and it's as I expected. That upper control arm looks like a noodle. It does not look like the mounts were bent, so that's a good thing. I might replace the lower control arm too, since just to be on the safe side, since it took a little bit of a hit. And then of course I'm going to replace the shock. It sort of got wore on by the toe-in problem. So there you go. I'm going to go order those, and I'll make a video of me replacing all this stuff as soon as I get the stuff in. So there you go. That's the entirety of the Ford Focus 2015 low-dollar Copart car. So hopefully, if you're thinking about doing something like this, just think about it. You can get a car with 89,000 miles on it that's got a little bit of a ding, which I don't care. I'm going to fix this so it sucks up again so I don't get air under it. But other than that, I'm not planning on doing too much to it. So there you go. If you like this kind of content, you know, please like, please share, and please subscribe. Thank you very much, and have a great day.